फैक्टराइजिंग जनरेशन। तो लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या किया, फ्रॉम द चैप्टर ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन टू ट्रिगोनोमेट्री, सो वी डिड 4 सम्स. Actually, I just wanted to do each sum with you all. So we will do the 5th one now. Okay? Exercise 8.1, number 5. क्या है क्वेश्चन? Sec theta is equal to 13/12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. बना दो फिगर. Step by step, if you do, you will get the correct answer. नहीं तो अटक जाओगे. ठीक है. Sec, sin cos tan, cosec sec. That means it's opposite of cos. And cos says curly brown hair. तो sec क्या होगा? Sec will be hair brown, मतलब hypotenuse by base. Theta, theta means any angle. So I am using this as my theta, the angle. So hypotenuse will be 13 and the base will be 12. Search for this. Again, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. अभी तक नहीं रटे ना? Pythagoras theorem means what? याद करो, बोलो. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. I'll keep on saying. You have to learn. Otherwise, it's of no point. My duty is to do blah blah blah, and your duty is to grab what I am saying. (169 minus 144 is equal to perpendicular square. By 12, 25. Therefore, perpendicular is equal to 5. अब क्या है? Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. तो शुरू करो. Sin, मतलब some people have. So see from here, if this is your angle, some people have 5/13. Sin theta, cos theta, curly brown hair, 12/13. Tan theta turns permanently black, 5/12. Sin cos tan cosec. Cosec, अब गधा जैसा सोचने मत लग जाना. I told you sin and cosec are opposite to each other. तो अगर sin है 5/13, so this is gonna be 13/5, है ना? Cosec sec. Sec was already given in the question, so you do not have to find for that. Cot 12/5, since it's opposite of tan. ठीक है? चलो, let's go to the next sum. Number 6 is not mostly done, so we'll skip. Let's go to number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Evaluate this. Figure. ये रहा थीटा. Cot means opposite of tan. Turns permanently black. तो यहाँ पे होगा black permanent. This will be 8 and this will be 7. ठीक है ना? Black permanent. So search for your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to 8 square plus 7 square. अच्छा ये वो वाला है. 1 1 3. It's not a perfect square, so the answer is root over of 1 1 3. अब करना क्या है हमें? We have to find for 1 plus sin theta in bracket. Then you have 1 minus sin theta. फिर 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta. Sin theta. Some people have 8 by root over of 113. Close the bracket. Sin again 1 minus 8 by root over of 113. Close bracket. Then you have 1 plus cos theta. Curly brown hair. One and the LCM of root over of 113 is 113. Here you have root over of 113 plus 8. यहाँ पे same except the sign. Can we add them? No. Can we subtract them? No. अब क्या करें? चलो आगे तो बढ़ना पड़ेगा. चलो देखते हैं क्या हो पाता है हमसे. No sign in between means multiplication. What is this? This is division, which will change to multiplication, and the numbers here will get reciprocated. नीचे वाला ऊपर, ऊपर वाला नीचे. So 113 plus 7 ठीक है ना. This and this gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. अब क्या रह जाता है यहाँ पे? क्या कर सकते हो? सोचो. अरे भाई a plus b into a minus b, वो वाला फॉर्मूला हमारा, which we cannot forget till we die. भूलना नहीं. It has to be used everywhere. The same for this. 113 minus 64. 113 minus 7 7 जा 49. ध्यान से करियो. Just because I wrote here 113, because the root and the square gets cancelled. Here do not forget to multiply. 8 is repeating twice. 8 square का मतलब होता है 8 into 8. 113 minus 64. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So this is 49 and this is 64. That's your answer. Okay? Just because it has a root 113, so it might look hard. Actually this sum is very easy. Do step by step, everything becomes easier. पर भाई समझना तो पड़ेगा. Without understanding you cannot do maths. Your concept has to be clear. एकदम 100%. The next cot square theta. Square है भाई, यहाँ पे square नहीं था, so the values will be the same. 7 by 8. Or if you go according to the figure also, it's gonna be same. Per square, do not forget the square. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. So that's your answer. ठीक है? So बाकी जो sum है, so I'll try to finish it up in my next video for this exercise. Until then, bye bye.